Welcome back to Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about a murder took place in Manchester. You might have wondered which one because so much happened recently. Manchester spooky. Very spooky. Enough for the war them, enough for the killing them. Surrounding the same quote-unquote industry and the same people them. Your favorite scammer them, favorite done them. Tell already said they done them even offer quote-unquote protection to the scammer them and fight them battles and all kind of things. But this particular killing me I talk about. Shake up a school. Pitney a ball. Pitney traumatized, parents traumatized, teachers traumatized. Well, let me tell you something. When me telling you say the ugliness are come close to the doorstep. I'm telling you say the acidity and the culture won't revel in. Or come biting you so wicked that's. Not only you can't sleep at night time, but all your pitney them. Enough people are ball none until they say them pitney them traumatized. I just reach close to home. It real close to home. Close to the school. They must say only my pain matters, you know, that the real Iron Man. My pitney a ball say them see gunshot and them see people dead and then see blood on the ground. No, we have to do something about the crime. No, I don't say it work. When they love criminals and they love bad man. Especially when them have money, fame, clout. Defend them. Defend the man them will kill this youth in front town and pitney them. Like how they defend other criminals. What's the problem? They're not true. The man them will kill Cuthbert, Lambert, and people are say they go shoot man in front of school. They must go give him like 100 years. I'm not a fact nobody give him 100 years. Just kill him right now, officer. People must say that guy not true. Not true. When you should have sing 2 tunes first one, go shoot him in front of his school. You don't know how to deal with Iron Man, you know. No problem, man. The dead man is Cuthbert Lambert, which the name in itself should make him get charged. Somebody can name Cuthbert Lambert. Who named this brother? Whoever named this brother should be charged vociferously. No, the scholars them at Winnipeg like them murdering, so I throw them in every now and then. Big word. Cuthbert Lambert. Just listen to me. Enough of them people I want to see are dead. They don't on the ground, flat out on the street, and you see, even the papers put out 27-year-old taxi operator shot and killed as he was dropping off his child to school. When you see them story there, naturally I go say, Jano star, it rough. That's so tragic. Cause him go drop off him stepdaughter and the man them kill me in front of his school. That wicked dog. That's cruel dog. And it is because the man them keep them violence and them destruction far away from the children. Because of them alone innocent in all of this. Let me repeat it. The real tragedy I say is that this took place in front of one school. Pitney are going to class and all kind of things. Pitney supposed to have your gunshot. So that's the real tragedy. As for Cuthbert Lambert, he make him bed and him lie down at night now. With all the sheet draw over him. He wasn't just no regular quote-unquote taxi operator. Matter of fact, was on bail for murder of a youth who are 14. Now, that is a separate story in itself because again, I'm telling us enough time when you hear them originally him said the murder of a quote-unquote child. But I said that event is a whole different video that. But Cuthbert simply get what him give out before. He wasn't just a taxi operator going about his business trying to provide for his family. That pain where them a feel, Cuthbert make other people feel that. But you know it already, only my pain matter. So as long as they didn't inflict them pain upon other people, it was okay. No family and relatives and friends I go start feel with them brother and them pitting them dish out to other people. See, this is why I didn't like the look at YouTuber in the cars. I'm just tell you no what I go on. No for no war ball now. No for no war ball now. Did I smile last week? I use all kind of justifications. Well, whatever justifications you use when your people them a kill others, use it for the man them who kill your people them. People from all over Manchester lick me. Look you through, me can't believe sir Manchester this. Look you through, me can't believe sir the Manchester this when I grew up. Or the Manchester this when time I look about go over here, so me can't believe a Manchester this. Me wanna lose track of murder, so much murder go on, me I lose track, me can't believe it. Well, you better believe it, and it's only going to get worse, guy. Unless your favorite leaders then pull them head out of the sun, of course. But who knows when that will be, because them tell us our social intervention program them sitting there go come fix things. So, good luck with that. I hope it work out for you. Cuthbert, deep in the scamming, deep in the badness. Man, them catch up on him. No, naturally because him did catch the case with the 14-year-old. When him dead back, people see it look like man run back program, but don't jump the gun yet. The type of industry where Cuthbert in it cut short. Cuthbert industry, the scamming, the chap in the line, it's cut short. Remember them they tell us that scamming are gonna make Jamaica better because they used to make money now. And money are the cure to badness and violence and death and destruction. But they turn up on the scene and tell them they say money, on top of acidity, equals more crime. Remember that? See, enough of the scholars from Winnipeg a jump on the ship late in the ship sail all long. And them gone go take air balloon and then flick off of the air balloon and drop on the ship. Years down the road. I tell them say the culture and the mindset that exists in Ireland. Means say when money enough up, murder enough up too. Especially fast money. Because when Jamaicans depend, them want $1 million by a morning. Remember, say, we don't understand culture in a guy. All time Jamaicans get whole heap of things wrong. Whole heap of things wrong. Now for the Irish Saxon this so pass on the line and them pass it down. All time Jamaicans get enough things wrong. But then did come up with some gems. And one of them was one cocoa full basket. No for the sayings them did want people what when time people get too much too fast. Never hear about, never see come see. Or it come up. Them thing that I see man see what happened back in the day when time Runkus them get a one food and sit a Runkus don't fool. You have to have the right mindset before certain things reach you. Because if you don't have the right mindset, you will self-destruct. Why you think enough young superstars mash up themselves so? Why you think enough youth sign one contract with one NBA team and within 2 years you see him mash up and turn all junkie up on the roadside and you say and lose everything? Him get $100 million contract and within 5 years him not have nothing. Why you think him never have? He had the money. Go check the statistics. Majority of lottery winners in our Uncle Sam place end up broke. The majority. How is that if a money solve problem? Just money. Just give man be money. Most lottery winners end up broke. One time I post the numbers from Patreon. I'm going to look back feed again. Most lottery winners in our Uncle Sam place end up broke. But them tell us that poor people just need money. So if you throw enough money on poor people, life will go better for everybody. False. That money is going to end up back. What if you understand what I go on? The system knows say that money will eventually find its way back to the big wig, back to the top, because the things that when you go spend the money upon where money you go. That money will eventually find itself back to the big wig, back to man from Guzungung, back to Billy Joe, Who not understand how money work. Who not talk about clothes and boot. Manchester and them place they feel nice because money I make, fast money too. But all time people say one cocoa full basket. When modern day Irish Saxon say want $1 million by a morning. Anywhere you go in the world and you see people think it is normal. It is normal and mandatory for us make whole heap of money one time in a one night that the place they half full of crime. The thing them only love sit down and watch big documentary about man have much company values at trillions of dollars. Think I saw them go? The Amazon, everybody I brag about now and Jeff Bezos, and you know how long Jeff Bezos they bought? You know how long Amazon exists and never made a profit? Amazon I run for decades, no profit, it was a laughing stock. Now all of a sudden then turn genius. People don't stand up at the finish line and then wait to see who win and then jump on the wagon. Everything you want to look on and see it big and great never build overnight. But man, I tell you, say you want $10 million by tomorrow morning. So you might get that. What kind of things you must go do for that? When you add them things up on top of the culture of the deceit we run through Ironman people's blood. But telling already Ironman people was deceitful for no reason. You call a man and ask him, say, yo, where there? And him say, me reach from down at your gate. I ain't not left in yard yet. Just unnecessary. For no reason at all. When you try to call him back, he lock off him phone. It don't make sense. Them they're not trouble. There's no consequences. Them not gonna. Them man just deceitful for no reason. Who no one study the culture, guy? And by the way, since them so bad mind scammers, and I said before, them so bad mind artists, them so bad mind scammers, you know. The first people that said my bad mind was scammers. So I'm actually working on a video called The Mathematics of Scamming. And in that video, me go compare some of the most prosperous countries in the world. Places where we don't let food work, or Jamaica and go take up work right now. Say big money I make, and me go show you say, all if Jamaica suddenly became those countries, it still couldn't deter a youth from scamming. Because the mathematics of scamming, combined with the very low consequences if caught scamming, and how rarely people are caught scamming, means that this is a disease and I go nowhere for now, so get used to it. Many more will have to suffer. Many more will have to cry. Don't ask me why, guy. The mathematics of scamming, them tell you about if youths just got more education and like we give them these courses. So what we're going to do is like give him like a little piece of land here and give him like 15 chickens and then he's going to be deterred from scamming. Guy, cut the crap. No young youth now see. Boy, him to go in a corner, go work on no farm and work on nothing. And then him look over this and see him peers them. Right? 19 years old, 20 years old, I drive Beamer, I drive Markex, I drive the cleanest things. Are the most girls. And talk about, well, a good thing that social intervention program I come in cause me never turn scam in but a good thing the program come in so me change my mind. Rubbish! Absolute rubbish. This is dreamt up by people in Winnipeg. Scammers and war has become a national crisis, you know. National crisis, but people still turn the blind eye to it because until for them scammer dead, them love it because fast money are coming. The way Jamaicans confused. Mother see and know say her son a scam because she no know no work where him a do. Where can give me her money there. She know who him power with. More time she hear me in one corner on him phone. She know exactly how the money I make. But the money nicer. So what she do? She gone all in a church gone testify. Hallelujah. God has been good to us. God help us chop the line. One time my son tell her, say, Mum, find one new skull. She in a church on her face a roll. Whole her dress dirty up. People a say, boy, like the hand of God touch her. Which God? If the hand of God touch her, boxing boxer down, that's why she lie down on her face and can't get up. The mathematics of scamming, what them say, social program are going to stop it, and education are going to stop it. Education? Youths are drop out of school for go scam. And then now scammer guy go on gang protect him because scammer guy say, well, me make me money so next man a pre me so. So next thing you know, have mafia them and they protect him. And you know what quote unquote protection mean. Right? So him pay fee money. Just like the mobile man them, right? The mobile scammer them used to buy beer rifle, give the gunman them, beer rifle. Me must say stone crusher man them like fire beer sprat gun, you know. No for the man them in a stone crusher. A sprat gun them a fire in a sprat. Me a talk about real out and out sprat. Me not talk about like mad sus. We still a try go on like same straight. Me a talk about out and out sprat, lipstick palm out. G-string wearing sprat did I buy gunman, rifle, and gunman and fire that. Scamming has helped keep Jamaica up on top of the murder charts. But because the money nice, and because people love things more than anything else. Let me say one more time. Jamaicans love things more than anything else. They may trade them one mama. They may execute them pitney for things. So they may overlook. Yo, so come when you go like to nobody get hurt. See, there's something called the 5 laws of stupidity. You need to study it. The mathematics of scamming. Look out for that video. Now, before the video end, I want to talk about a group of people who it must be nice to be them. As me say, Cuthbert Lambert was on bail for the murder of a 14-year-old. I tell you already, say either these judges have no sense of reality, that they've completely lost touch with the real world, or they're actual agents of death who are playing for them role of the madness who are going to Iron Man. Some of the people who them give bail, even a picnic could have said that the man there go dead. They must time police and prosecution in the court. I tell the judge, say, Your Honor, if that the man they go back on road, the community gets spooky. Yeah, we're gonna give him bail and just make sure, say, Mr. Sci-Fi, just make sure every 1 week you turn up at the police station and report. You hear? Okay, have a good day. Go home, go and sleep. Then time the Sci-Fi community are burned down. Who is holding these judges accountable? Them worse than the politician. You know why? Apart from the colonial relics known as the senators. So we're not about them now, but at the MP level, the judges them worse than your MP, you know. You know why? Because even though Jamaicans really do it, but if them really want, Jamaicans can punish them political leaders for them failings and them worklessness and their decisions. But the people can't punish no judge guy. If your MP then make some stupid decision and you say, you know what, that was ridiculous, time to go. That can't happen with the judge guy. The people them can't say, well, these decisions have been ridiculous for the last 3 years. See you later, judge guy. All I was gone. That can't happen. The Jamaican judiciary must be a coalition of divine entities. No matter how foolish the decision, just ask JCF for the statistics and the amount of people who have been killed in Jamaica or killed in Jamaica that were on bail or just get Lego from some. Just ask them. Them still no one giving you that data because them know it's going to seal the deal. People them want kill and get killed, a man they on bail, man will go jail and come back, man will bust appeal at them people because the streets go and settle it, guy. Wherever the official justice system fail, the unofficial one will settle it. That's why gunman pray for the enemy's boss case. And that's why when a man go to prison, him far more dangerous every minute you say, him run the next program, and then go back on road, things quiet down. Why you think it quiet down? Because man can't reach him now. When him in him look a cell, every minute as a boy this him, yo, kill him mama, kill him dog, kill him cat, kill him kangaroo. When him down road, him think long and hard before he make the call. Cause him have got think alright before I go over here so first. I make sure everything. Police know who's a gang member from who just one man they get in an argument and lose medicine one time. It's extraordinary. No care what you tell them. No care what you point them. Down the right road, guy, your bail act one sort out. Guy, your corrections act one sort out. Man don't leg up on bail, man I wait to kill them. But as I say, I feel them sure them. Go and listen to man from Winnipeg. Clearly them know I go under the streets. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, see you circle. Bless.